The WAVLINK Docking Station WL-UG69DK1 elevates your workspace with support for 4 monitors, delivering stunning visuals at up to 5,120 by 1,440 pixels. It offers a seamless experience for both work and play, accommodating various resolutions, including 5,120 by 1,440 pixels and Cinema 4096 by 2,160 pixels. Equipped with a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet and SD 4.0 card reader, this docking station ensures lightning-fast data transfer and efficient laptop charging with its 100-watt power capability. This versatile docking station is compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and 4, USB-C, and a range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Chrome, and Ubuntu. Included in the package are essential accessories such as a 2-in-1 USB-C to USB AC cable, a powerful 180-watt power adapter, and a convenient cable holder. WAVLINK provides peace of mind with an 18-month warranty and lifelong customer service, ensuring support whenever you need it.